Well, greetings, fellow YouTubers. This is Kazoo Cruiser with an update with a video on Windows 10. I figure we're all prisoners in this box together, and sometimes you can, it's a prison that you can poke a hole through and get some freedom from. Microsoft is a push marketer, and you've got Bing there, and you notice this up here. Sign into what? Microsoft Store. You've got so many points that are redeemable, and then there's this settings box on the right side. I'm not sure exactly what that thing does. Let's see. Yeah, it's a way to open up, certain things. And I'm not really interested in it, so I'm going to show you how to get rid of it as a temporary, and then hopefully I can do something in the other window. But what you do is you pick any of this stuff and you right-click on it and you inspect the element. Now it opens up a developer box for you, and as you look here, it'll actually go down to where it's indicated, and it'll highlight it. Now, as you move up and down, you don't have to necessarily pick the text, but as you move up and down through that list, it'll highlight different aspects, and that's the one I want, the one that grabs them all, because I just don't want them in the corner at all. So I right click on that down here, and then I left click on it, and I want to get rid of the whole bunch, so I go delete, and now they're gone. That whole mess is missing, which is fine with me. I don't use Bing as a web search engine, but I'll show you what happens when you close this. This is not a permanent fix with this, because if you close this window and you go back, now you can see where I've already deleted it. It's a permanent fix with Edge. Your own browser is your control property. But if you do web search again, by default it picks Bing, and then bang, they're right back there again. So you can't delete them from Microsoft's push of Bing, but you can remove them over here. Let's just close this entirely, and then you see the green screen that I'm using for this. You go over here to, I move my toolbar, or whatever they call this thing, to the left side of the screen. It just seems easier to shrink the screen horizontally than vertically. At the bottom of the screen, it shortens the screen up too much. Desktop environment. So here's me opening up Edge, and as you can see, all that mess is gone. I'm not really interested in being part of the Mickey Mouse Club or the Microsoft Xbox operator or any of that stuff. When I use a computer, I want to do work, and I don't need games and all that. Let me show you something else I did here in the Windows, into the Windows world. I'm trying to be brief, but you see all this stuff that's still in here. I didn't delete all of it, but I sure went in here, and whatever I could uninstall or delete I didn't need, I just went ahead and got rid of it. I added Notepad because that's helpful. My Lenovo computer here, I've got something there that was added, but I got rid of a whole lot of stuff in here. Just clicked on it, right clicked on it, and deleted it. And I don't need Xbox information. I don't really need toys. This is not a high-speed computer. I'd get slaughtered in an online game pretty quick. So I don't need all that. And I didn't need all this stuff pushing me for that advertising to join the Microsoft world. I bought it. I bought Windows 10 because I had to, not because I was choosing to upgrade voluntarily. I was dragged kicking and screaming. And any place I can excuse myself from the presence of Microsoft, I do it. And I hope this has been a helpful tip. It's run a little longer than I expected, but here's something you can do. You can expect that element here, like I just did, and go down here to wherever it selects. There it is, and read the fine print. Read it where it says search the web there, And what I want to do is edit. I'm going to edit this one as HTML. And it's just a fun little thing you can do. Instead of search the web, just type something else in you want there, like hunt for stuff, HUNT for. And then just close the window, and there it is, hunt for stuff up there. Now you can do, I don't know if that's a permanent fix. Let's see if it is. No, it's not a permanent fix, but it's something you can practice with and modify parts on the web page while you're using it, and it's an active modification. Once you close the window, maybe some of it will stick and some of it won't. But that obviously did. I don't have to get to Microsoft Store anymore by choice or otherwise. If I really want to, I can open up a Bing window and bang, there it is. If I want to sign in, I don't really want to. I don't know what any of that is. I don't care about any of that. But listen, it's a tip. If it helps you, that's great. Leave a thumbs up. If it doesn't, if you don't understand it, let me know in the comments and I'll make another one up. We're just all kind of finding our way through this stuff together. And this is just one more way that I'm trying to help you out here. Thanks. Bye.